Whether you have a family car, a Sunday drive, or a delivery van, there's nothing better than driving in a clean and fresh smelling vehicle. Builders have a wide range of automotive cleaning products for the interior of your vehicle. Whether you have leather or fabric, there's a wide range of cleaning products for your car's upholstery. Leather care creams and fabric cleaners will get your seats looking great in no time, at the same time as protecting them against the elements, UV rays, spillages, and everyday use. Dashboard cleaners help to bring out the rich shine of plastic and vinyls. They are easy to apply and not only help keep the interior of your car looking great, they protect the surfaces, help to keep them dust-free, and smell great. Air conditioning systems also need to be kept clean, especially in the hot summer months. Simple solutions like this one are easy to use and avoid you having to take your car to a specialist aircon shop for a simple task. As always, read all the instructions before use. And remember that these are just some of the automotive cleaning products available at Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.